Hi traders, welcome to Traders Full Group. This is Sharma here. Today I would like to show you how my Gann levels, bullish levels, and Fibonacci bullish levels and Fibonacci reversal levels work. This is Nifty and this is Nifty chart, and my indicator is both the indicators are here, like Gann bullish and Gann bearish. You can see Gann bullish, and here it is Gann bearish, and this is the green line is Fibonacci. Okay, green dark line is the Fibonacci automatically they are formed on the chart. You can see that. So let me also show the levels that are there here. So entry targets are also given here. Now you can see exactly from the chart, from the table, you can perfectly see that Fibonacci reversal was at 24,311 and Nifty reversed at 9. Exactly at 9:35. This is the reversal 24,311. So from 24,311, it went up to 24,428. So this is how my reversal works. Let me show you where you can find out. In the sheet, those who have taken this, they can see that nearest down bullish reversal is 24,211 rupees 80 paise. Say that I can increase the size and show you. This is 24,311.84 bullish reversal, and bearish reversal is 24,411. So the same you can mark on the chart. Like for example, if I mark on the chart 24, just let me mark this also. Reversal 24,411 above when it reaches. This is the reversal, bearish reversal. So once it reaches it, there you see a green candle. A red candle here. It starts falling. So, and from here you can see, from when you see a green candle like this, then that is our bullish reversal. And we have very good, reversal strategy based on the Fibonacci, and also Gann reversal, Gann bullish also. So everything is given in this. You can see Nifty Gann studies, Gann bullish and Gann bearish levels are given. Trend also is shown here. So we have alert system. I'll show you the alerts, Fibonacci levels alerts. You can see Fibonacci levels as early as possible we got in the morning itself. It is not that we got now. So the alert has come in the morning. So you can see, let me open the first alert. Okay, Fibonacci level. Yeah, this is the Fibonacci level today, Gann level, and this is Fibonacci level. You can see the time 9:17. So I'm just marking it like this, 9:17, and here you can see 24,311 is bullish reversal, bearish reversal is 24,411 at that point of in the morning itself it has given. So use these levels and trade safely, and use my Gann sheet, and this is the all-in-one sheet. And those who are really interested in only intraday, those who want to trade only in intraday Nifty, and Nifty is my favorite, and everyone is also very favorite about that. So let me show you how we can use this intraday Nifty strategy. Okay, this is our Nifty board. Okay, yeah. Let me just go here and show you. Right, that is all about my Nifty strategy. Those who are interested, they can join my groups, or they can also own this sheet. This is a really wonderful sheet, all-in-one sheet. I have made so many videos on this. You can go and check. But the best stocks also you can find. We have now jackpot stock. Today's jackpot stock is Bajaj Finance and Keynes. Okay, you can check in the charts. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.